Okay, so at this point, I've input the path and I input a well bore. I just made some assumptions based off of your email. I put our 3.5-inch liner in the production hole here. I just assumed a tapered tieback with 3.5 in the 7-inch liner and 4.5 from there up. So this is you do that by clicking on the section here and adding the tieback, and then you can taper the tieback to add different sections to it. So once the wellbore is defined, I'll go to the 3.5-inch liner run, and here I need to define a drill string. So I'll go to Builder, Advanced. I'll pick a drill string. So here I'll delete this 5-inch drill pipe. I'll put 4.5-inch drill pipe in the 7-inch liner. Then I'll taper it to the 5-inch. There up. So this is our running string for our 3.5-inch. I wanted to find a swivel. In this case, it's 17,438 meters from the bit. So I'll go here and define a swivel wherever it is, linked from the bitwise. And so this will allow us to model rotation of the running string without the rotation of the liner itself. So now I can go in and look at my tension. In this case, I made up this well, so it's not really feasible, but this is how you do it. And I can model with and without rotation just by changing these parameters here. If I wanted to look at setting the packer or unlatching from the tubing string, I can go to this packer setting here, and I can, in the case of available weight, I can set some amount of weight on bit here with sensitivity, and I can look at this tension snapshot. So this drives everything to apply this specified weight on bit to the top of the liner, and I can look at the blue curves, which are slack off. In this case, it's we're locking up, so these curves go shoot to the left here. I can apply some RPM and make those come back around. If I wanted to look at overpull at the top of the liner, just specify a negative weight on bit, and this will show, in this case, since we have overpull, we want to look at the pickups, not the slack off. So we'll right click here and go to pickup only. And we can see for overpull sensitivity what the surface hook loads or tension should be and whether they exceed a limit or not. So in this case, it's saying we exceed slip crush limit, but that's not really accurate because you probably won't set the slips with this much tension, but that's how you model overpull or available weight on bit at the top of the liner.